Today, I'm going to show you Google's brand new Opal update that just dropped, and it's completely free. This thing is so crazy, it can build you full apps in seconds. I'm talking real working apps that actually do stuff. You can make games that look like they cost millions to create. And the best part, you don't need to know how to code at all. This is going to change everything for online businesses. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Google just released something that's going to blow your mind. It's called Opal, and it's basically like having a whole team of developers working for you for free. I've been testing this thing for the past few days, and I can't believe what it can do. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I tested this thing with some real projects, and the results are insane. First thing I tried was making it generate weekly content ideas for my SEO niche. I just typed in AI SEO, and boom, it gave me a whole list of blog topics and content ideas in like 3 seconds. This usually takes me hours to research and plan out, but that's just the beginning. The second test I did was even crazier. I made a simple app that turns long YouTube videos into 5-point summaries. I gave it a video link about GPT-5, and it created a working app that pulled out the 5 main points from the entire video. This is the kind of thing that would normally take a developer weeks to build. Now here's where it gets really wild. The third test was building a tool that compares 2 different companies or products. I put in ChatGPT versus Claude, and it built me a whole comparison tool. Sure, the design was basic, but the functionality was there. It actually worked and gave real comparisons. But wait until you hear about test number 4. I actually built my own flashcard generator app using Opal. I fed it a long article, and it turned it into professional-looking flashcards, the kind you see on those expensive learning websites. And it did it in seconds. Now, the last test I did completely blew my mind. I tried one of Opal's sample apps called City Games. You give it a location and a genre, and it creates a full game concept with a video trailer. I put in Thailand and science fiction as the genre. The video trailer it made looked like something from a real video game studio. The quality was insane. It looked like it was made with Google's new VO3 video AI. And here's the thing, you can remix and customize all of these apps however you want. You're not stuck with what it gives you first. You can change colors, add features, modify the whole thing. Let me break down why this is such a big deal for anyone trying to make money online. Most people think they need to hire expensive developers or learn complex coding to create digital products. That's completely wrong now. With Opal, you can build lead magnets in minutes. Think about it. That flashcard generator I built, you could create similar educational apps for your audience. That YouTube summarizer, perfect for content creators who want to repurpose long videos into quick summaries. The content idea generator is pure gold for anyone doing content marketing. Instead of spending hours researching what to write about, you just plug in your niche and get a whole content calendar. But here's what most people are missing. This isn't just about the individual tools, it's about the bigger picture. Google is basically giving you access to the same AI technology that big companies pay millions for. Remember, when only huge corporations could afford professional websites, then WordPress came along and changed everything. This is the same thing happening with AI app development right now. The comparison tool I built could easily be turned into a SaaS product. People pay monthly subscriptions for tools that do exactly what I built in 5 minutes. The game concept generator could be used by indie game developers to prototype ideas before investing in full development. And speaking of making money, let me tell you about something that's going to help you take all this AI stuff to the next level. Inside my AI Success Lab, we have over 100 different AI use cases and tutorials. We've got 14,000 members already because people realize this is where you get the real strategies that actually work. You get step-by-step processes, video notes from all my trainings, and access to the community where people are sharing what's working right now. The link is in the comments and description below. Now, let me show you some other Opal features that are going to change how you do business. There's a blog post writer that researches topics and writes full articles. I'm talking about content that's actually good, not the generic stuff you get from basic AI tools. The book recommendation system is perfect if you're in the education space. You can create personalized reading lists for your audience. The business profiler gives you insights into how the internet sees any business. This is gold for market research. There's even a fashion stylist feature that creates weather-appropriate outfits. If you're in the fashion or lifestyle space, you could use this to create daily outfit recommendations for your followers. The playlist generator connects to YouTube and creates mood-based playlists. Content creators could use this to make background music playlists for their videos or create themed playlists for their audience. But here's what I really want you to understand. All of these individual features are powerful on their own, but when you start combining them, that's when the real magic happens. You could use the content generator to come up with blog topics, then use the blog writer to create the articles, then use the social media post creator to promote them across all platforms. That's a complete content marketing system built with free tools. Or you could use the product research tool to find profitable niches, then use the business profiler to understand the competition, then build comparison tools to help people choose between different options in that niche. The key is thinking about these as building blocks for bigger systems, not just individual tools. Now, I want to address something important. A lot of people are scared that AI is going to replace human creativity. That's completely backwards. AI is going to amplify human creativity like never before. Before Opal, if you had an idea for an app or tool, you had two choices. Learn to code yourself, which takes months or years, or hire a developer, which costs thousands of dollars and might not even work out. Now you can test your ideas in minutes, you can build prototypes, get feedback, and iterate fast. This is how successful entrepreneurs think. They test small, learn fast, and scale what works. The businesses that win in the next few years are going to be the ones that embrace this technology early. While everyone else is still trying to figure out if AI is a threat or opportunity, smart entrepreneurs are already building with it. And that brings me to something crucial. Having access to these tools is just the first step. You need to know how to use them strategically to actually grow your business and get more customers. That's exactly what we focus on inside the AI Profit Boardroom. We have over 1,000 members who are using AI to scale their businesses and save hundreds of hours with automation. These are real business owners getting real results. We don't just talk about cool AI tools. We show you exactly how to implement them in your business to get more leads, close more sales, and automate the boring stuff so you can focus on what matters. The difference between someone who just plays around with AI tools and someone who builds a real business with them comes down to strategy and implementation. And that's where you get inside the AI Profit Boardroom. But let me show you one more thing about Opal that's going to blow your mind. The video marketer feature creates AI video ads with your product and target audience information. This is insane because video ads usually cost thousands to produce professionally. You just input your product details and who you want to target, and it creates a complete video ad. The implications for this are huge. Small businesses can now create professional video content without hiring expensive video production companies. The spelling bee feature might seem simple, but think about the applications. If you're in education, you could create interactive learning tools for your students. If you're a parent, you could make custom spelling games for your kids. Every single one of these features solves a real problem that people pay money for. The content ideas save time on research. The video summarizer saves time on content consumption. The comparison tools help with decision making. This is why I keep saying AI is not about replacing humans. It's about giving humans superpowers. You can now do things that used to require entire teams of specialists. But here's the thing most people miss. Having access to powerful tools doesn't automatically make you successful. You need to know how to use them strategically. That's why I created a free SEO strategy session where I show you exactly how to use AI tools like Opal to grow your business. We'll look at your specific situation and create a plan that actually works. The link is in the comments and description. During these sessions, I've helped business owners go from struggling with content creation to publishing valuable content every single day. I've shown local businesses how to compete with big corporations using AI tools they never knew existed. Opal gives you the ability to build tools and create content fast. But you still need to know what to build, who to build it for, and how to get it in front of the right people. That's where real business knowledge comes in. Understanding your market, knowing what problems people actually want solved, and being able to execute consistently. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know which Opal feature you're most excited to try. The question is whether you're going to be someone who uses them to build something amazing or someone who just watches other people do it. The choice is yours. But I can tell you from experience, the people who act fast and start building are the ones who win big when new technology comes out. So go try Opal, pick one feature, and build something today. Then come back and tell me in the comments what you created. I want to see what you come up with. If you want my help building a complete AI-powered business system that gets you more leads and customers, book that free SEO strategy session. The link is in the comments and description below. And don't forget to check out the AI Profit Boardroom if you're serious about scaling your business with AI automation. We have over 1,000 members who are already seeing real results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to show you another AI tool that's going to change everything.